The master bounce strategy is a strategy associated with bounces from the second touch of the level. The concept of the bounce is that market participants haven't decided yet where to move the price, and the price starts to fluctuate within a range of consolidation. We often see rise or fall in price on the chart followed by a correction. After this sharp movement, we should wait for the price to return to the previous level and then correct again. It's the second correction we're looking for. As soon as we see the price approaching the level for the second time, we'll look for an entry point. Ideally set the entry point slightly beyond the level for a more confident trade. Additionally, pay attention to the slowing of candles, where the candle bodies become smaller and smaller. That's exactly how we look for trades on the bounce from the second touch. Bounces can come with false breakouts, so carefully wait for the entry point on the bounce and always follow risk management. Remember, we trade based on probabilities. Watch the video several times, pay attention to my words each time, and be sure to write down the strategy separately on a sheet of paper. This way you will be able to master it and start earning.